Alright, so now we're going to go over some of the control screens real quick. So first we're going to go over the clamp screen. So here's your overview screen. And then this was your mold screen. Got everything you need there. And there's functions. These are your parameters. Typically you won't be editing these, but they are there if you need them. And there's everything you really need for the mold screen. Moving on to the inject screen. You know, pretty standard stuff. Hold pressures, functions. And you also have a parameter screen on this as well. Alright. Moving on to the charge screen. Functions and parameters as well. And your ejectors, a few different options here. Obviously set them up as you need. Air valves. And functions and parameters. Right. Your core screens. Obviously we don't have any of these set up right now, but if you do need to set them up, this is where you go. Nozzle heats. There, control your barrel heat temps. And just if you want to do schedule or anything, this is where you'd set that up. You know, when you start up at 8 o'clock on Saturday or whatever. Oil preheating. And quick screen. This is just a nice overview screen. All right, that's pretty much the control. If you have any questions, let us know.